So this has arguably been Donald Trump's best week of his second term. Stock market hit the all-time high. Inflation numbers are down. Tariff revenue filling up the coffers. And it was capped off by the Supreme Court giving Donald Trump his biggest win yet by far, officially putting an end to the judicial coup by rogue activist Democrat judges. The Supreme Court ruled they can no longer issue these unconstitutional nationwide injunctions and blocking the duly elected president from running the country. You guys are gonna love this video because Democrats are having a meltdown over this decision, and we have been waiting months for the Supreme Court to put an end to this madness. As always, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's start with hearing the exact details of this ruling.
She says some say that the universal injunctions give the judiciary a powerful tool to check the executive branch, but she says federal courts do not exercise general oversight of the executive branch. They resolve cases and controversies consistent with the authority Congress has given to them. When a court concludes the executive branch has acted unlawfully, the answer is not for the court to exceed its power, sounding very much like they are limiting these injunctions. We know here that they have granted at least partially the stay to these preliminary injunctions, but they say only to the extent that the injunctions are broader than necessary to provide complete relief to each plaintiff withstanding to sue.
So the Supreme Court has just been on an absolute roll lately. They gave a spanking to all these radical activist judges, sent them to their room and grounded them. They ruled that schools have to allow parents to opt their children out of LGBTQ transgender indoctrination in schools, and upheld a Tennessee law that banned minors from receiving cross-sex chemically castrating hormone therapy and physical surgical mutilation, setting the stage for a potential national ban on transgender surgeries and chemical castrations on minors. This is amazing. Now, this particular decision was made on the backs of a case regarding Trump restricting birthright citizenship through executive order. But I'll show you a little later on that some federal judges are actually disobeying Supreme Court orders and doing what they want because they're exactly what we accuse them of being. They're tyrants. They don't care about the rule of law. They care about getting their way.